he seems to not be taken seriously by all of his staff, di ba? Sinasabi niya, gawa kayo ng comprehensive plan. Wala namang lumabas na comprehensive plan. Sabi niya, gawa kayo ng active transportation to prioritize it. Wala ring lumabas, di ba? So, hirap, no? May mga pronouncements pa siya before na wala ng wangwang. And as you can see, wangwang still lorded over all our roads. On a daily basis, may mga sumisingit sa loob ng EDSA busway. Pero hindi seryoso. And you know, while Sunny was saying earlier na kailangan magkaroon ng pronouncements to convince people, in this case, you don't need to convince people. Ang kailangan niya i-convince yung sarili niyang mga tao. Kasi hindi sila gumagalaw lahat. Unfortunately, hindi na sapat yung statement. Kasi, sari-sari.
We've heard them before.
Oo eh. Marami na kaming collection yan. May mga video vlogs pa yung presidente. Pero kailangan...
Folder si Ira ng plan.
Oo, meron na akong folder, di ba? Meron na akong folder ng mga statements niya. And yet, when we bring this up to technical working groups, it seems to amount to nothing. Kailangan pa namin i-play sa harapan ng DPWH yung statement mismo ng Pangulo saying to prioritize active transportation. And yet, they will say pa rin, hindi kasi based on our guidelines. So hopefully the President, well, again, sige, maybe the theme that we're all asking for the President this year is own up to the mistakes and own up to the problem. And then direct na ayusin nyo yung guidelines nyo so that you will align. But also I want the President to say that in a transportation comprehensive plan, he should appoint very clearly that the Department of Transportation will be the lead agency that everybody else will follow.